Hi guys, welcome to another Inkscape video tutorial in which we are gonna go into SVG filters and then we are gonna apply some kind of bumps and bevel filters into our spirals. So right now you can see here into my Inkscape window, I have already few spirals where I'm gonna apply different kind of filters. So for that what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select a spiral and then I'm gonna go into the filters, and then you can see here like there are plenty of filters, and in every menu there are a lot of sub menus as you can see here. But right now in this video I'm gonna go into the bevels only, and then I'm gonna apply the first filter, which is bloom. So you can see it already created a diffused white highlights and with some dark shadows on the edges. So in the meantime, what I would do is I would just go into the filters and then I'm going to open the filter editor, and then I'm going to expand it a little bit. So you can see like there are a lot of primitives, like just to create this filter there are a lot of primitives are created here into the filter editor. And the good thing about these filters is like if you don't like the filter, what you can do is you can just tweak with the setting, you can change with the settings, or even if you can just uncheck and then you can remove the filter. Right now as you can see here into the filter editor, to create this filter there are a lot of different primitives are applied, but the basic one is Gaussian blur. And by default the Gaussian blur value is 2.2 as you can see here into the standard deviation. So what I want to do is like if I would just change it, for example if I want to go with the 5, so you can see it seems more like a coil. Or what if I want to go with the 1, with this you can see like it seems the top is very flat and I have bevels on the corners. So what you can do is you can just play with different settings and everything. And what if you don't like this lightning effect? So for that what I can do is I can go into the specular lightning, and then here into the specular lightning you can see there are a lot of different options. So if I want to reduce the lightning, I can reduce the values of this constant. And the good thing about these is like if you are gonna hover your cursor about every option, it's gonna give you a brief description. So what it's gonna do and how you can change, as you can see here. And even like here you can see specular color. It was the white lightning because I had choose the white color here. If you want a different kind of color, you can just choose a different color from here. Hi guys, sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful and if you are a serious Inkscape learner, then I'm gonna recommend you can go into the description of this video where you would find my course link where I have over 7 hours of Inkscape videos. In every video I explain each and every individual tool with an example as well. Moreover, if you want to collaborate, if you have some kind of projects or assignment and you want to connect, feel free to contact me with my email, which is also given into the description. Thank you. And even if you want to go into the nitty-gritty details, for that what you can do is you can just go into the help window, and then here you can go into the Inkscape manual, and then you can check all the preset filters, and then you can check how every effect is gonna work on the filter. So let's go and let's select other spirals and then apply some other kind of interesting filters. So I'm gonna select the second spiral, then again I'm gonna go into the filters, into the bevels, and here I'm gonna go with the melted jelly. Let's say with this one. As you can see, like this brings the shiny highlight and it seems like the whole spiral is sitting inside of melted liquid kind of pool. So you can see this is gonna affect my spiral in this way, and then I'm gonna select the next spiral. Again I'm gonna go into the filters, into the bevels, and then let's say I would go with the stained glass. And with this stained glass you can see like it have a effect, like it seems like really polishing metallic effect on my spiral. I'm gonna select the next one, filters, bevels, and I want to go with the raised border. So with the raised border you can see it seems like it's lower in the middles and the edges are pretty sharp. Okay, then let's go to the next one, filters, and let's go to the bumps this time. And then in the bumps I'm gonna go, let's say this funny one, like bubbly bumps. So you can see like this filter has an effect of kind of eroded texture around my spiral and the curves looks very bumpy. And now the last one, I'm gonna select again, I'm gonna go into the bumps, and let's say the last one, wrinkled varnish. So you can see like it seems like the my spiral looks like a gold leaf kind of effect. So in this way what I can do is I can apply different kind of effects on my objects. And if you don't like the object or if you don't like the effect, so what you can do is you can just go into the filter editor, you can tweak a little bit with the settings, and then you can increase the blurriness or different kind of primitives. Or if you don't like the filter, what you can do is you can just quickly uncheck from here and then the filter is removed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel where you are gonna find a lot of videos and tutorials. And if you are a serious learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you can find my course link where I have over 5 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every tool in a very detailed video with an example as well. And if you have some projects or assignments or tasks, feel free to write me on my email, which is also given in the description.